Welcome back to this channel. If you haven't seen the part 1 of this video, you should go and check it out because we already done half day of our city tour. At this moment, it's about noontime, so naghanap kami ng makakain. But time constrained din dahil kailangan din namin bumalik malapit sa hotel because we booked a Gucci tunnel for a half day tour at this day. It's so nice. We booked a Gucci Tunnel half-day tour from a travel and tour na katakpat lang ng Vientiane Market. It is really advisable to book a tour sa Gucci Tunnel kasi malayo siya from the Ho Chi Minh City. Well, Gucci Tunnel is really recommended if you're traveling with your families or with kids or if you want to history of Vietnam. And we're here at Vientiane Market while we were searching for a banh mi. Naku naman, nakalimutan ko na yung banh mi ay staple breakfast. So when 12 noon comes, wala nang banh mi sa paligid. Yung mga hawkers kaninang umaga na ang dami, wala na sila sa pwesto nila. Buti na lang nag-suggest ng aming travel editor na sa Vientiane Market kami pumunta at nakabili kami doon. Na-curious din ako dito sa beef sausage, so I bought 2 sticks. Banh mi! After an hour drive from the city, nakarating kami sa Lampat Company Handicrafts. Dito yung stopover namin bago kami pumunta ng Gucci Tunnel.
Most of them, they learned it by themselves for many months. Then they made an old traditional art exam, the lacquer painting. That's they found from old natural material, then they found the extra rose together. And they tell you in detail, so you get that. And now please follow me to this first step. Dress, the ao dày. Ao dày, that means long dress. Yeah, ao dày. Oh yeah, yes. And they inlay and recycle the eggshell. They break in it, make it become the traditional dress in Vietnam. Yeah. This white dress is belongs to the Vietnamese student. They have to wear this white dress every Monday. They chose the red color because that's our national color here. Yeah. And inside like this, they using the rosewood. Rosewood is the strongest wood in Vietnam, but actually it's very heavy. And they found a way to cut breaking from this one to that traditional dress. It's only handmade here. That means breaking one by one in details. You can see that lacquer oil. It's a black one, the covering. That's the lacquer oil. They found it from the lacquer tree. And lacquer oil found from the lacquer tree, and that's why they got the name lacquer wares from the lacquer oil like this. Yeah, because this lacquer oil, it has the excel to stay inside the goods and it's never coming up again. And they want to make sure about that, so they had to do like 40 layers in this extra step. That's me covering the lacquer like that. Then yes, they design this tiger as a lucky animal for business. A lot of customers, they chose this one to hang on their workplace. They're coming here or the office. Yeah, and this is one of the 14 layers, so you can have a touch here, please. You can feel, yeah, it's still rough. And searching around to find the natural material, they found the eggshell and they found this shell from the deep ocean. They try to take it like this and put the dust under the light. You can see the rainbow color and powerful one from the natural color. And they got calibre. They were cutting into the small details, then stick them all together. You can see the little people here, they're wearing conical hat. Touch again please, on the surface. You can feel the difference, right? It's not completely inside, but it's not wrong anymore. But it's good right now, and they want to make sure it's never coming up again. That means they have to do 4 more times on the surface. Only more occur. They haven't had the color like this yet. They have to turn back to the first step over there again, the painting step. Then they painting, they got the color of the teacher dress, then they turn back here. I think you use this a lot to polish your car, right? In your country, yes. And they cover this on the top like that. You can see covers on the top of the wood and using his own handling to wipe it on the surface. Every details and step here is handmade 100%. Yeah. And everything you can see the difference. This is before and this is after they finish. Yeah.
About an hour from our stopover, dumating na rin kami sa Gucci Tunnel.
Map Gucci. In the 1940, we got the map like this. Where we are, we now here. All around. Here. This scene here we got it. How about tunnel? Where we go? Yeah, here this scene we call a bunker. Your house. In Gucci you got your house. That's in where you live in, stay here. You're working here. Yeah, working here, stay also here. But it here we got the meeting bunker. What we do tomorrow? We also got the kitchens. We cook, we eat there. And the way we keep in the weapons. And this is the way we call for atmospheric engines. And outside you got Saigon River outside. Inside here we go to the well, we take the water, very important. The water was for drinking, yeah, drinking here. And here we got many trap. So this is we got helicopter. The enemy attacking the Gucci here. Yeah, so all around here, the 1966 and 97 here, we haven't got for the tree anymore coming up because it's more effective from the bomb. And here, we go living there. So this is the map. We have this side in the war until right now. Yeah, this is the map. And how about here, different? So this is the map. Just to know for today, we go down tunnel here step by step. And here, we kind of ventilation. We take the air like this. We stay.
Okay.
Because we cover anything. Here, this one ventilation.
Ventilation only.
Ventilation only here. But the way you can go down tunnel like this small one. We cover quickly. And how about today? Today we come here. It's mainly we open this, but in the wall we close this. So right now you can see different. We have no waste. We working outside, but we stay inside here for many activities. Okay, right now here.
Bakit? Ay! Uy! Pwede? Uy, kunin mo muna yun. Bye-bye.
We are going.
Go. Okay. Yan.
Here, we have this side anywhere in the jungle. So the enemy camera didn't know here. It's a bamboo trap.
Oh.
So this is a bamboo trap. Bamboo trap here we hunt for the enemy. If you got a bamboo trap like this, you spend for maybe more 1 day, need 2 days. Maybe this one. Yeah, baby. Hello, baby. Yes. All right, here.
Can you say goodbye?
Okay. Okay, here and also. Yeah, more generous. All right, here also. This trap here.
Anyone want to try?
Siso.
Oh, trap also, right? The trap go the door, the trap like this. Open the door, the trap coming down, they hit you here. Okay, that's the trap you got for 2 people here. This is the bamboo. Yes, and here the bomb here. And today you say, okay, hello. Okay, look here. Picture 1, 2, 3. Bomb here. So nice.
Vietnamese mine.
Maximum 10 meter long. We never did.
At the end of the tunnel, we get rewarded ourselves with this cassava, kamoting kahoy. As said by our tour guide, ito din yung staple food ng mga Vietnamese warriors noong panahon ng Vietnam War. Dahil nagutom kami sa half-day tour ng Cu Chi Tunnel, we decided that we want to eat something delicious. And this is a tip when traveling abroad. When you don't know where to eat or when in doubt of their local food, Google is your friend, Michelin is your guide. Find a local Michelin star in the area. All you have to do is go to guide.michelin.com or download the app, Michelin Guide. In my case, you will be prompted to their website and you are going to enter your location. Enter the Ho Chi Minh City, Vietnam. Then I was craving at that time for a spring roll, a Vietnamese spring roll. So I've searched for the restaurant which is near our location, and voila, we find it the rice field. And here we go. We book a grab na lang going there dahil napagod kami from our Kuchi tunnel tour. I was fascinated that our grab driver was actually a Roman Catholic. Kita niyo naman guys, di ba? Hey guys, it's actually Thursday. Thursday ba ngayon? Tama ba? Tama ba? Thursday? Hey guys, it's Thursday. Yes. We're trying out Michelin star food here in Riceville.
Ay, akin ba na ito?
Ito parang ano?
Thank you po, Lord.
This is heaven, guys. This is my favorite. Pork.
Ito may favorite. Ano, thank you. Intense.
Yes, I was referring to the flavor of their sauce, that it's more intense or more rich and flavorful compared sa mga dishes ng Vietnamese na natikman ko sa Philippines. Indeed, it was worth every penny. Hindi kami kumain ng rice, pero busog na busog kami, and it's worth it. The rice field really did serve a Michelin star. Just a walking distance from rice field, naglakad-lakad muna kami sa Ding Nguyen Yu or Noble Street. Ang daming tao dito at napakasaya. There are a lot of buskers everywhere. Kanya-kanya silang pakulo. May gumuguhit, may nagpo-perform, individually or not. May kumakanta, may sumasayaw. And to my surprise, dito din pala ang coffee apart, since Vietnam is the second top most producing coffee beans in the world. Meron silang building na puro coffee shop lahat. Ang makikita nyo ngayon ay ang building ng the People's Committee of Ho Chi Minh City. Parang Disneyland siya sa malayo, di ba? just a few walks from Bouvian Street. Well, technically, part pa rin siya ng Bouvian Street, kaso nasa dulong-dulo siya. May makikita kayong mga hotels or rooftop bars na nakahilera. And yes, I admit, nabudol ako sa mga colorful lanterns sa taas. This is Doc Buong Hotel na may rooftop bar sa taas. And it's called The View. This is really a one-of-a-kind experience, guys, because we're here at the rooftop of Bouvian walking street. Ayan, no? As in, sa baba lang talaga yung Bouvian walking street. This hotel where the rooftop bar is also located is actually in Bouvian Street. Ayan, no? It's so nice. With all this Vietnamese lantern, you feel kind of festive. You kind of feel the vibe of nightlife. Different from maybe a little bit of noise downstairs here, and if you want to chill, have some like a little bit chit chat with a beer, you can go up there. Those colorful lanterns made me flashback sa Netflix movie na napanood ko. The View. The better you look, the more you see. Nothing's like capping off the night with a good bottle of ice-cold Vietnamese beer. And that's it for today's video. Thank you so much, Vietnam. Cảm ơn Vietnam.